In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide a sheet in Google Sheets. So, if you've ever been in a situation where you wanted to tidy up your spreadsheet or keep some data out of sight for various reasons, stick around because I'm about to show you how simple it is. First things first, open up your Google Sheets document. This could be any spreadsheet you've been working on or a fresh new one you've just created. If you're already in Google Sheets, perfect. If not, simply go to your Google Drive and double-click the spreadsheet you wish to work with. All right, now that you've got your document open in front of you, we're going to focus on the Sheet tab at the bottom of your screen. Here, each tab represents a different sheet within your document. Now, take a moment to decide which sheet you want to hide. Once you've identified it, move your cursor down to the Sheet tabs at the bottom and click on the specific tab that you want to make invisible. Selecting the right sheet is important because it ensures that you're hiding the correct data you wish to conceal from plain sight. With your desired sheet selected, you'll notice a small downward-facing arrow located right next to the sheet name on the tab. Click on this arrow to bring up a drop-down menu. It's worth noting that this menu provides you with a range of options related to your sheet, such as renaming, duplicating, or even deleting the sheet. But today, we're going to focus on hiding it. In this drop-down menu, you will see an option labeled Hide. Go ahead and click on that, and voila! Just like that, the sheet is hidden from the tab bar view. This feature is incredibly handy when you want to streamline your visible tabs, perhaps to eliminate distraction or keep sensitive data out of immediate access. Rest assured, the data in your hidden sheet is not gone. It's merely out of sight within your document. Remember, if you ever need to unhide this sheet, simply click on the View menu at the top of the page, hover over Hidden Sheets, and select the sheet you want to unhide. It will immediately reappear on your tab list. This makes managing multiple sheets in a single document more manageable by giving you control over what immediately shows up and decluttering your workspace. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide on hiding sheets within Google Sheets. I hope this helps you better organize your spreadsheets and keep your workspace neat and efficient. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks to become a Google Sheets pro.